Hi friends, welcome to VCreation Technologies. Please like and subscribe to our channel. And today in this video we will talk about how to add range of items into our C# list. So which means that in a particular list we will just add a collection of items into our list, or we can say that we can add more than one number of items into our list. And to add the more than one items into our list, we need to use the add range methods. So here the add range method is used to add a collections to a list. And let me just move to the Visual Studio to directly show you a couple of examples. So first of all, here let me take a list, and after that I will just add a collection of items into our list. So here I have just created a list, and the object name of that list is like int list, and here I am just using my list is of type int type, which means I can just add only int values into my list. Now in this int list I will just add the collection of items into my list. So let me take a simply int array, and here I will just add a couple of items into my list. So this is my int array, where I have taken just three values like 7, 8 and 6, even if I can add more than these three values, but for the sake of examples I am just using these three values. Now in my just int list, let me use the add range method to add this int array to my int list. So now let me just print what is the length of this my int list. So here first of all I just created an int array which contains three values. I can take more than that. After that I just created a list of int which can take only the int values into that list. And after that, with the int list object, I just use the add range method, where I can add more than one number of items into this particular list. And in my int array it contains more than one items. And after that, in the console.writeline I am just printing what is the length of this int list array, and as I contains three values, so it should print 3. And let me just quickly remove the breakpoint and run it. So here in the output window you can see it is showing 3. Now let me just add 2 more values. Now if I run it again, it should show 5. Alright, in the output window it is showing 5. Now let me take in another example. So here I will just take a string array. And now let me just create a list which is of type string. And now I will just use the same add range method in my list of string, and where I will just add my string array. And in my console.writeline I will just use the length of the string. So here I have just, first of all I have just created a string array which contains 3 strings. Now after that I created a list of string, and in that list of string I just use the add range method, and in that add range method I am just adding my string array. And after that I am just printing that what is the length of my string, and also it should show like 3. Alright, so it is showing 3. Now let me just remove this test one, and now it should show 2. Yeah, it is showing in the output window like 2. And we will just use this add range method whenever we just want to add multiple items into a list. Alright, that's it for today's video. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel.